Everyone's looking for easy ways to make money from home. The robust online world has provided people with many opportunities to make money at home in legitimate ways. In fact, there are so many easy ways to make money from home. One of the more traditional forms of earning extra money is to rent out rooms in your home and have housemates. If you own a home with additional rooms that are not being used, then you might consider renting out that extra space. Renting out your car from home can be a viable way to make extra income. Renting out your car sort of works like renting houses or apartments on Airbnb. Turo, HireCar, GetAround and Avail are currently the biggest online rental services, where you can list your vehicle. If you're a crafter, you can sell your wares online. Your options generally are to set up your own website with a store that people can purchase from online, sell on a crafts-dedicated site like Etsy, or sell on an online marketplace like Etsy, Redbubble, or even Amazon. Trading foreign currencies, also known as forex trading or currency trading, involves buying and selling currencies on the foreign exchange market with the aim of making a profit. The forex market is the largest financial market in the world, where currencies are traded 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. To trade forex, you'll need to open an account with a forex broker. It is decentralized, meaning it doesn't have a physical location like a stock exchange. Once you build up a reputation for safe, delicious bake food, you could earn money in your own kitchen, and then sell them online or to local bake shops. Becoming an online tutor can be a rewarding way to share your knowledge and expertise with others while also earning income. Your expertise could range from academic subjects like math or science to non-academic skills like playing a musical instrument or speaking a foreign language. You can apply to work only for established online tutoring services. Freelancers are self-employed. You can make money from home as a freelancer, doing graphic design, writing, or another type of work. If you have quick, accurate typing skills, then you may want to consider taking an online data entry job to earn money from home.